Yes, Brentley.
You back? You were sneaking on me.
I was sneaking on you. You're singing so wonderfully. Ooh, the Spirit? Hallelujah. Is it the Spirit and the power? I love it, Brentley. Why?
You.
What did I do?
I didn't want you to call.
You didn't want me to record you? Okay, I'm sorry. You forgive me?
Next time.
But next time, what?
I can't tell you what. ELP, what I can tell you.
Oh, good spelling.
And I don't want to tell you because
Oh, Lord. All right, it's about time to clean up. I'm gonna come back out in just a second and we'll get started on cleanup, okay? Hey, Brentley. Brentley, Mommy's gonna go vote right now. Who should I vote for the President of the United States? Hillary Clinton or Donald Trump?
Donald Trump, I think.
You think? Do you know why? No?
Look, see how this
Okay. What? Okay, so let me come closer and see what you've done here. Whoa, my goodness. What is that you've made a huge Play-Doh bed? Wow, Brentley. I love it. You are so creative, Brentley.
No, this he had a big boy bed.
Oh, good.
He a big boy now.
Okay.
Have one nice shield.